as you can see, it's snowing at Tremblant. We received 15 centimeters of snow during the night of Wednesday to Thursday, and it keeps on falling. More snow is on the forecast for the weekend, so it is a perfect time to come enjoy our glades and our natural snow trails. Our ski area is still fully open on our 4 sides. Conditions are amazing, so come and enjoy it. Starting this Saturday is the Washington Week entertainment, so there will be daily activities at Place Saint-Bernard. The full schedule is on our website. So we'll leave you with some images. See you on the mountain this weekend. Dress warm and have a great weekend.